Alright, so the time has come where I'm gonna be going in that drift car. Let's hope the experience, I'm pretty sure the experience is going to be exciting. Let's go there.
Too dizzy now.
Yeah. Whoa. You're pretty smooth with it, but
Yeah, once you learn how to do it.
thank you, man. Thank you so much.
Take care.
That was pretty insane. We just went round and round, and at one point I literally felt dizzy, but that guy was so good. He was really good and smooth. As you all saw in the video, he was just doing it effortless. Anyways, the next up is on the track lap. Formula 1 fan, and if anything good can happen is getting up close with the Formula 1 cars. You saw the video of probably that Jaguar going on the track for a one lap thing, but right now I'm up close with both the Formula 1 cars. That's the 2001 Jaguar car, and this is a Arrows car, the orange, if anyone remembers, from 2001 again. But wow, look at that. Getting up close with them is like a dream come true. How cool is that? Check that out. Look at that spoiler. There weren't fancy DRS system back then. It was only one straight wing, rear wing. And look at the size of the wheels. And it's got a V12 in there, like proper V12. Back then when V12s were a thing, they were loud, as you heard in the video before when the car went on the track, that one. Oh, but these cars bring back those memories of Formula 1 with its pure racing, when the driver was about pure talent, you know, controlling. Look at how simple the cars are. They are not even fancy. Look at the wing, it's pretty straightforward. That's the car that went on the track. Let me show you one of the car from close, from inside the cockpit. Look at that. The steering wheel is also so damn simple. But this event, thank you. It has gotten me close to a Formula 1 car, an actual Formula 1 car. But this is pretty much the last event of the day, and I am going on track at the Dubai Autodrome for a passenger lap experience in an Audi TT. It has been a long day, but a very thrilling and an exciting day filled with supercars and so many events happening. I'm super exhausted, but not exhausted enough not to go on a drive, on a passenger lap experience. The drive is about to start anytime in 10 minutes. I'm gonna go get dressed and see you guys on board in the car.
Sorry?
What's the top that we can go in this car?
The speed?
Yeah.
185 now.
Okay.
190.
And what's the tops that it can go?
No, the top of this car is 235.
Ah, okay, but you don't have
But the
enough.
track is finished, eh?
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and my viewers to go on the track and have this passenger lab experience. Thank you.
Welcome. Bye bye.
Bye bye. So that was it. That was the passenger lab experience in an Audi TT on the Dubai Autodrome. I thank the Dubai Autodrome. Well, I'm super exhausted, but at the same time super excited to get you all these videos and the content. I can't wait to put it and show you guys everything that has happened in the day. Remember that there are 3 videos that are going to be dropping down related to this event. I'll also be putting the link in the description, and also there'll be the video thumbnails at the end of the video where you can click and watch the videos. And do not forget to like this video and share and subscribe for more videos to come. Until we meet next time, bye bye.